Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi, brothers and sisters. This here is not working. Now, today we're covering uh, lesson 4, part 2, al-i'rabu, the cases. Uh, this page is talking about three nouns in Arabic. They sound, they're called nominative, accusative, genitive case. حلال حالة الرفع، حالة النصب، حالة الجر. Pretty much it's kasra, dhamma, fata, dhamma, and fata. It's talking about this kasra, dhamma or dhammatain, fata or fatatain, fatatain. So when prepositions come, words sometimes like baytun, which is baytun, dhammatain, right? Baytu, al-bayt, is that without be dhamma. Baytun would be dhammatain. When prepositions come, uh, following a word, that will change the sound. Some situations change the sound. So you patiently learn, because this is a big subject here. So we're gonna go on to the next here. حروف الجر. حروف الجر, the preposition. So there are, you see, some of the prepositions in Arabic here. The common ones are fi, in, ala, on, min, from, ila, to. These are the prepositions. When this followed a noun followed by one of these, it changes its noun, its case. Like, for example, from baytu to bayti, it changes. When fi comes after it, it changes the sound, bayti. Like in English, it wouldn't change. A house still stays the same, but in Arabic it changes, depending on the prepositions. Okay. Okay. Now let's go. حروف الجر. حروف الجر. So pretty much same. حرف الجر. So حروف is for plural. So حرف الجر. Okay. So there. Okay, talking about prepositions. Okay, for example, let's use one of the prepositions above. You see, fi. Let's use fi. Like I was saying, fi, al-baytu changes to fil bayti. These are one of the three nouns, or one of the three nouns. So fil bayti, from al-baytu to fil bayt. What if this is baytu? What if this is baytun? Now, when it becomes baytun, then It was when the Damatain comes up, so the Damatain it changes to Kasratain. Uh, I'm not sure if in the case of this house, Al Baytu fil Baytin changes like that. We'll see what comes out. But that's what they're talking about. Uh, so now fi, and Baytun. Now, when you have Baytun, wait, that's Baytu. The top one is Bayt. Now this is Baytun. When it's Baytun, it becomes Fi Baytin, in a house. Fi Baytin, in a house. The other one, in the house. Al Baytu, the definite one, becomes Al Baytun. Now the indefinite one, indefinite meaning Baytun is like a house. It's not a particular house. It's just a house. It can be any house. So al bayt, when you say al bayt, you are specifically pointing to a particular house, the bayt. Okay. Okay. Now let's practice these. Okay. Without preposition, matbakhun, a kitchen. Matbakhun, a kitchen. Fi matbakhin. Now, as you can see, the dhammas up there change to kasratain. Dhammatain changes to kasratain when followed by preposition. Okay, masjidun followed by a preposition. Masjidin, masjidun, masjidin. Now, masjidun is an indefinite word. Now, ila masjidin, so it becomes ila masjidin. To a mosque. Baytun min baytin. Baytun min baytin. So this is a preposition, preposition, preposition. So they change the sound. It doesn't come baytun min baytun. It doesn't go like that. Baytun min baytin. Okay. A house from a house. Okay. Kitabun ala kitabin. Or ala kitabin. So let's go next. So this part is talking about how to use al and how it should be pronounced. Since my class is not learning, how to write, I'm just gonna skip that. So this here is al-hillu fi samai. The moon is in the sky. Al-hillu fi samai. Fi samai. So same thing here. It changes to kasra, to dhamma, to kasra, as prepositions used. Okay, ila al-babi, ila al-babi. So now this is to the door, ila al-bab. To the door. Okay. That would be al-babu. So ila al-babi. So it changed it. Now min al-mudarrisi, min al-mudarris, min al-mudarris, from the teacher, from the teacher. Min al-mudarris. This changed from dhamma mudarrisu to mudarrisi. From the teacher. Okay. Al-miftahu ala al-kitabi. Al-miftahu ala al-kitabi. who, he. So this here, he, kasr genitive form from accusative to genitive. Okay, mashallah. Mm, Okay, let's see. And the section, let's see now. حسان في الحقل في الحقل في الحقل حسان في الحقل. Now, after the noun followed by this one, it changes all the time. الحقل changed to الحقل. حسان في الحقل. A horse in the farm. A horse in the farm. How do you say it? Horse, the horses in the farm. الرجل من الهند. من الهند. الأسد على صخر. The lion is on a rock. We learned that rock is hajar. Hajar is rock. Now this is another word for rock. الولد في البستان. Garden. الولد في البستان. So the noun following a preposition does not have an effect on the on the way the last noun sounds. الولد, الأسد, الرجل, حسان. These do not have. But when the preposition goes right here, it changes this one. So this becomes hisanin. If this preposition were to be here, so this hisan would be hisanin rather than hisan. So okay. I'm going to stop here.